Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. We're going to be talking about dress up. Now my daughter loves dress up. She loves to be princesses and she loves to be anything that she can imagine. So I got her this dress up trunk for Christmas and she absolutely loves it. She takes it everywhere. So I'm going to show you some of her favorite things in here and some of the characters that she likes to dress up as. Now, the very first thing that she wants to get out is her fairy wings. Now, fairy wings go with just about any dress-up outfit, whether you're a princess, or a fairy, or an elf. These are great. They're very sparkly. They have jewels all over them. This one actually has little lights up here that light up. So when she twirls around, you can see the lights flashing. It's very pretty. The next thing she wants to get out is her mermaid tail. Now, she's obsessed with mermaids right now. I've been reading a lot of books about mermaids and watching a lot of mermaid movies. So of course she wants to be a mermaid. This one is really pretty. Sparkles. If you look closely, you can see all these little fish on here and it matches the top. The top is a little seashell. Look at that. How cute is that? And then of course it has the little mermaid fin. Next up, she wants to be a unicorn. My daughter loves unicorns. So we got her this beautiful white dress-up dress with a unicorn on it and a matching headband. Here we go. Look at the beautiful unicorn. And then she puts her little horn on here and she's ready to go. Of course, no unicorn look is complete without a rainbow. So she's got her little rainbow purse, and it even makes unicorn sounds. Listen. And then she's got her rainbow shoes. Look at that. She loves those. Another favorite character of hers right now is Mona. Mona is from a movie. I'm sure most of you have heard of it. She's a strong, independent young woman who goes on an adventure to save her people. And she's got her little boat, and she's got her Maui hook that he gives her to help her on her journey. So she likes to pretend that she's going on an ocean voyage and saving her people. She likes to pretend that she's a strong, independent young woman. Another thing that she likes to dress up as is a superhero. Ow. I got her this little superhero cape. It says I am a superhero. And then she's got her little mask. It's just a plain black mask. But she likes to pretend that she has superpowers. And she's a superhero. And when she runs around the house, she pretends that she's flying. Another thing that she likes to do is dress up like her American Girl doll. She has this beautiful brown hair that she likes to put into pigtails, just like me. And then she put on one of her favorite outfits. This doll has so many outfits. I think we need another dress-up trunk just for the doll clothes. But she put on one of her favorite outfits, put on her shoes, grab her little purse, and she's ready to go. Another thing that she likes to do is pretend that she's a baby. Now she has a little baby doll that she likes to take care of. And she'll change the baby's diaper and she'll feed the baby and rock the baby to sleep. She'll sing little songs to the baby. And sometimes the baby gets a little fussy. You never know what to expect when you're a parent, right? She's a very good mother. And then lastly, she likes to pretend that she's a bunny rabbit. She got this little bunny rabbit costume for Easter. She was so cute in it. She still likes to pretend that she's a bunny rabbit. So she's got her little bunny slippers and her little bunny ears and her little pink nose. She hops around the house like a bunny rabbit. So these are just a few of the things that my daughter likes to dress up as. What do you like to dress up as? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an exciting moment.